If you're experiencing issues where Steam's validating files process is stuck or taking forever, you're not alone. This can be frustrating, especially if you just want to get back to gaming. In today's video, we'll walk through several troubleshooting steps to fix this problem and get your games running smoothly again. Before we dive into more complex solutions, let's start with some basic troubleshooting tips. Sometimes a simple restart can solve the issue. Close STEM completely and restart your computer, then relaunch STEM and try validating your files again. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can slow down the validation process. Also, clearing the download cache can sometimes resolve issue with validating files. Launch stem, click on stem in the upper left corner and select settings. In the settings menu, click on downloads and then select clear download cache. You need to log back in after clearing the cache. Try validating your files again after restarting stem. Sometimes verifying game files manually can help resolve the issue. Go to your STEM library and right click on the game that's having issues. Click on Properties and go to the Local Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. STEM will begin checking the files and will download any missing or corrupted files. Depending on the size of the game, this process may take some time. Be patient and let it complete. If the above steps don't work, reinstalling the game may resolve the issue. And that's it for today's guide on fixing the validating stem files is stuck or takes forever issue.